Today I'm going to show you how to install the Audi A1 S1 dynamic indicators. This fits both the pre-face and the facelift, but it does not fit the new 2020 model. The first thing I've done is I've turned the mirror outwards to allow me to see the mirror a bit better. I'm not sure if you can do this on the power folding mirrors. I'm not sure, so don't do it if you don't know what you're doing, because you might break it. But what I've also done is I've got a blanket as well, and I've just placed the blanket underneath the mirror, just so that when I pop the mirror out, if it does happen to drop on the floor for some reason, it won't smash. So yeah, get something soft underneath, just in case the mirror falls out. Okay, so at these 2 points on the mirror, there are some clips, which I can actually show you if we have a look at the other side. So here's one of the clips, and the other one is just at the top there as well. So when you're trying to get the mirror out, that's where you want to be placing the shim to pop the mirror out, where those two clips are located. Using the included Torx end Allen key, we're going to loosen off the 5 Torx screws, the one in the center and the 4 on the outside. So this is the only screw that doesn't match the rest. All the others are the same, so you don't really have to worry about mixing them up. Just remember that the long screw is for the middle piece. So once you've got all of these screws out, there's a little clip right at the top. What you need to do is you need to push that down to essentially get the plastic surround out. The best way I found to do that was to lift it from the bottom and then push upwards until it clipped out, and use your fingers to push the clip down as well, and it should pop out. It is a bit of a pain, but it will pop out. Okay, so I do actually get in the way a little bit in this clip, but essentially what you need to do, there's 2 clips at the top. You need to undo those clips first, and then you want to slide the mirror from the outside towards the inside. There is a few clips on the inside at the back that need to come out, but if you undo it from the outside of the mirror towards the inside, it should pop out. It is a bit tricky. Give it some time. Be careful and try not to snap any clips.
Do you care if I care? Do you know what I know? Do we know what we...
Okay, so here are the clips that I was on about. As you can see, there's the 2 at the top that are in the middle, and then the ones at the bottom right, those 2 clips there, they're the ones that you need to push from the inside of the mirror. The clip on the right is the one that has to come out last. Okay, so if you come around to the front of the mirror and look down at the gap in between the indicator and the inside of the mirror, you'll see there's 2 screws that need to come out. So you need to undo those, and basically that's the thing that holds the indicator in. Okay, so once you've got the indicator out, what you need to do is you need to remove the wire, and to do that you need to lift up on the clip and pull. Make sure you're pulling on the plastic part of the clip and not the wire itself. Okay, so grab your new dynamic indicator and plug the clip in, and then what you're going to do is just tighten up the 2 screws that you removed to take it out. put the 5 torque screws back in, starting with the long one in the middle and the 4 on the outside.